It is November 11th, 2022. And this is a 1989 Macintosh SE single floppy drive model. And let me spin it around. I just finished dealing with this little nightmare. So this is a custom 3D printed bracket that I made. As you can see, it sticks out through the expansion slot on the SE, and this facilitates access to the SD card without opening the computer. There it is. There's also a port for the mystery serial port. It's a little tight. I'm going to change the dimensions just a little bit on the next bracket that I print. It's too tight top to bottom, and it's got more play than it needs left to right. But anyhow, it was really frustrating to have the SCSI, the SSD trapped inside the computer, because if anything went wrong, it meant the computer would have to be opened to deal with it. If anything went wrong with the drive, so to speak. Looks like I bumped the corner. So anyhow, I have the LED connected to the SSD. I need to get rid of these computers because every time I look at them, there's some kind of new damage, like that corner. I don't know what I bumped. It's not really damage, it's just mild abrasion that broke through the yellowing. Anyhow, that's it. So it boots, and this is one of the few machines that can run Load Runner without crashing. This will not run on 68020 machines, 68030 machines. Oddly, it will run on System 9.1 on the 7600, but nothing in between the SE and that. Alright, on the other computers what happens is if you mouse in the screen at all, it crashes, but not on this computer. Alright, so I'm done with the bracket finally. Time to move on to something else.